Farming, the job that feeds millions. But behind every successful harvest stands a team of silent heroes. Those who guide, support, and empower farmers every step of the way. BASF India presents Farming, the biggest job on earth. Suraksha Hamesha Edition. Government officials and agricultural field officers are the vital link between modern farming advancements and farmers working tirelessly in the fields.
जो फार्मर्स है वो जो पेस्टिसाइड्स यूज़ करते हैं, स्प्रेइंग वगैरह करते हैं, तो वो स्प्रेइंग करते वक्त कुछ प्रिकॉशंस जो है वो फार्मर्स ने लेनी चाहिए। उसके साथ ही महाराष्ट्र का एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट है, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट है, ये फार्मर्स को ट्रेनिंग देता है कि किस तरह से पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज़ करते हैं, तो उस वक्त वहाँ पे क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेनी चाहिए।
BASF's Suraksha Hamesha campaign has become a trusted partner in their mission.
I have been going through few of their camps. Your field staff is doing good work in the fields. They are doing camps in the villages, meetings with the farmers.
BASF सुरक्षा हमेशा कैंपेन है। कैंपेन के तहत ये जो 9 स्टेप्स बताए हैं, वो 9 स्टेप्स उसमें जो प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स है वो उसके तहत ही आते हैं।
Through hands-on training programs, BASF India and agricultural officials work side by side, spreading awareness about the 9 essential steps of responsible crop protection product use.
BASF या और स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट ने फार्मर्स को जो 9 स्टेप्स BASF ने प्रमोट किए हैं, उसके तहत फार्मर्स ने क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेनी चाहिए।
First of all, take prescription from the recommended agriculture development officers or whosoever is educated in properly prescribing you those medicines.
जब फार्मर्स रिटेल शॉप पे जाता है तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने पेस्टिसाइड लेने के बाद पक्का बिल देना चाहिए। वहाँ से लेके वो पेस्टिसाइड्स कैसे घर पे लाया जाता है, वो कहाँ पे स्टोर करना है, बच्चों के पहुँच के बाहर होना चाहिए।
Farmers now receive timely information and personalized guidance right where it matters most.
In this Suraksha Hamesha campaign, so I see they are drafted it in very planned manner. So from purchase to the disposal of the product, they have delivered these 9 steps.
The collaboration has strengthened safety outreach efforts, making farmers more aware, confident, and protected while working in the fields.
इसी के साथ जो BASF संरक्षण किट जो है, जो आप यहाँ पे पीछे देख सकते हैं, वो किट का इस्तेमाल करके हम लोग जो पेस्टिसाइड के जो पॉइजनिंग के केसेस है उसमें हम लोग को कम कर सकते हैं।
So this is a kit there. You see, always wear mask, always wear gloves. This is your apron, and this is for your eyes. Use gloves. One thing I would like to add is your shoes. They are very important. So use those rainy shoes or gum shoes whenever you are using.
With active support from agricultural officials, lakhs of BASF's Sanrakshan kits have reached farming communities, ensuring safety with every application.
It's my humble request to all my farmers, respected farmers, please follow these 9 steps so that you can all be safe, our society can be safe, our homes are safe.
With every official, every local body, and every farmer working together, India's agricultural future shines brighter and safer. This is our mission. This is our responsibility. This is BASF's Suraksha Hamesha. Farming, the biggest job on earth.
BASF. We create chemistry.